My name is Fatia Hardy. I'm the Associate Director in the College of Professional and Continuing Studies. Today, we are going to talk about Zoom meeting software, and also this tutorial will go over how to download the Zoom meeting app. Zoom is a video conferencing software. It allows multiple users to share information via video chat. You will need a few basic items. If you have a current laptop computer, a tablet such as an iPad, or a desktop computer, all of them need to have the availability to have a camera, whether it be installed or attached, and a microphone in order to do the video conferencing feature of the Zoom meeting. If you do not have any of these features, you can also join a Zoom meeting utilizing any type of telephone. All Zoom meetings that are set up and sent out will provide not only the video conferencing link, but also options to dial into the meeting. If you have a video camera but do not have a microphone, you can always join with a video function and call in with the audio function. First step is everyone will need the Zoom application. Whether you do this prior to your first Zoom meeting or you do it when you try to go into a meeting. When going into a meeting, it will direct you to download the Zoom app. We highly recommend that you do this prior to the Zoom meeting. In order to download Zoom, you will visit zoom.us. In the upper right-hand corner where it says Resources, hover your mouse over Resources and select Download Zoom Client from the drop-down menu. You want to select Zoom Client for Meetings and just click on the download button. If you're utilizing Google Chrome, there will be an icon in the bottom left corner that has the zoom.us launcher in a zip file. You will want to click on the file to install the launcher. The installer will then initialize and install the Zoom application onto your computer. You will then be able to open the Zoom application on your desktop, and it should look similar to this. You can create your own login, and you should be able to, if you already have a meeting scheduled, should be able to join from this application here where it says Start. Or you can go to the link provided to you and click on that link and it'll automatically add you to the Zoom meeting. Once in the Zoom meeting, it will ask you, do you want to join with computer audio You want to join, click on this to say yes. This way you are using your computer audio. Also, you can turn on and off the video function in the lower left-hand corner. Most times when you open a Zoom meeting, this icon will have a red slash on it. That means that video conferencing is not turned on. If you would like the video to be turned on, just click on this icon and it will switch to the video function. You can turn it off if you would like to not show your video function. In order to mute your microphone, you will click on this mute button in the lower left-hand corner, and it will turn off your microphone like so. You will click it again to unmute your microphone. And if you guys saw, there was a little red icon next to my name that had a red slash on it. And that's a reminder that you are muted and that you need to unmute if you wish to speak. There's also the option to record your Zoom meeting, and you can record it here. You also can chat with individuals on your meeting like so. Okay, that concludes our basic installation of your Zoom meeting software. And we look forward to seeing you all via Zoom here in the near future. We will have a test of the Zoom software on Friday, March the 27th at 9 a.m. This link will be provided in the e-news. Thank you.